This handheld BEAVERLAB Darwin Digital Microscope delivers up to 1,600 times magnification, so fine details on coins, stamps, circuit boards, and insects become easy to study at home or in the classroom. The 4-inch in-plane switching display shows sharp, color-accurate images that make it much easier to focus and share observations without needing to squint through an eyepiece. A built-in 2.0 megapixel sensor can record full high-definition video and still photos, which is excellent for documenting experiments or building a digital collection of specimens. 8 adjustable light-emitting diode lamps around the lens provide even, customizable lighting, helping you avoid glare while still revealing texture on reflective objects like metal and glass. The illuminated base with adjustable colored lighting lets you experiment with contrast instead of using chemical dyes, which is cleaner and more convenient for children and casual users. A generous starter kit of prepared and blank slides, tools, storage box, and activity books makes this microscope feel like a complete mini lab that encourages ongoing exploration rather than a one-time novelty.